Hi, this is Teresa Walsh with Juncture 9 Design. Today I'm going to talk about websites, and I've been talking about websites for the last week or so. And I'm going to ask you to take a few minutes whenever you have them just to sit down and look at people's websites. Maybe it's your competitors. Maybe it's a product that you really like and you buy. Maybe it's a product that you really are like, I don't really like it. Maybe it's because you don't like their website. And take notes. Take notes how their pages are set up, what you like, what you dislike, pros and cons, things like that. That way, when you are building your own website, you can think about how you want your website to look. Whether it's the header, whether it's how the products are put together on a page, the different sections on your website, things like that. Your about section, how different people write their about section. Do you like it? Is it too much information about themselves? Really, should really be more about how the maker or the product is going to serve the person, as opposed to the about section should really not be all about the person that's producing the items. It should really be about how, like, I can help you. That's really about your about section. It should be about three abouts. Anyway, so think about what you see on other people's websites, pros and cons, make that list. Then when you sit down to build your own website, after you've seen all of these videos that I've been telling you about, then you will be like one step ahead about how you want to build your own website. You'll just be kind of in the know, as opposed to starting with a blank slate. So that's my kind of tip for the day, and I will see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe, and I do have a link for the next video, for the 4-part video series in this in the description below. So I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.